today I want to share with you my experience of doing the real TOEFL test recently. I still think it was a useful experience for me to share with the students. So recently I did the real TOEFL test just to maybe experience what it's like for students when they do it, and maybe to see if I can get any extra tips or ideas just by doing the test myself. So I did the test last week, and surprisingly, I found myself quite nervous because you have to go to the test center at least 30 minutes before it starts. You have to have your photograph taken. You have to make a little video where you read out, my name is Mark. Today's the 21st of March, or whatever it is. And it just actually makes you a little bit more nervous before the test. In the actual test, when you sit down, you've got your headphones on, and the first part is the reading test. They also give you some paper and pencil to take notes, which you don't really need for the reading test. And I found the reading test to be quite easy, as I'd expect. But one of the awkward things I found was the headphones were very uncomfortable. So I was constantly playing with the headphones, and maybe I missed out one or two answers just because I wasn't fully concentrating. So again, I would make sure you get comfortable before the test starts and get the headphones correctly positioned. And yeah, just simple things like that. The second part of the test is the listening test. Now, this is the only part of the test where I actually took notes. They give you, I think, 3 pieces of paper and a pencil, and it is useful to take notes during the listening test. There are some quite long conversations where if you don't take any notes and don't write down some of the key points they're talking about, it'll be hard to remember the answers. So I would definitely recommend taking notes in the listening test. The third part of the test is the writing test. I think the main problem students are going to have is just time management. You have to write quite a lot of words in a short space of time. And I think many Taiwanese students will struggle to write down enough words to get the top score. You need to concentrate on the question, and you have to write pretty quickly. So you need to practice your typing. The final part of the test is obviously speaking. And I do teach the speaking test, so it wasn't a big issue for me particularly. But again, I do feel students will have problems filling the time. The last 4 questions, you have to speak for 45 seconds each, and you have no preparation time. So to fill the time with useful information can be quite tricky. And what I did find was, for the 4 questions, which are all related to the same kind of general topic, I was recycling my ideas and using the same ideas and same examples in different questions. And I still managed to get the top score, so I think it's fine. So don't be afraid of recycling your ideas and using the same vocabulary for different questions. After that, I think I got the results in 4 days, so you don't have to wait too long to get your results. And the whole process was quite efficient and very good. If you want to find out more information about the new TOEFL test, which was introduced this year, you should look at the America YouTube channel or Instagram channel. It's going to have lots of useful videos that you can use to help you with the new test.